How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Arky's Garage. I hope you're all enjoying the beautiful summer because I definitely am. Love being back in a tank top. It is just so nice to have some beautiful weather here in the Midwest. Today, we're doing an awesome product review on a really cool pressure washer. Don't you guys just love my garage? Look how beautiful it is. The structure's awesome. The cars inside are great. Well, today, it's getting a brand new toy. Today's review is the Greenworks 2000 PSI 1.1 gallon per minute pressure washer. I'm really excited to give this a try. I was gifted this from Costco, and we love Costco. The Greenworks power washer comes with, of course, the pressure washer itself, some attachments, a really nice hose, and it looks like a surface cleaner. On the backside gives us a little more details. Since it's an electric pressure washer, we have a 35-foot power cord. Of course, we got the motor itself, a 13-amp motor to generate 1.1 gallon per minute of pressure. I've heard these things are very quiet, so I'm excited to actually give it a test trial and see just how quiet it is. Of course, it's got the wheels, it's got the nice design to it, got a 20-foot pressure washer hose, the Pro style spray wand, and of course the 11-inch surface cleaner. I'm really excited to give this guy a try. But overall, I've always wanted a pressure washer so I can clean stuff around the house and of course detail my cars. We're gonna unbox this guy, put the components together, and give it a test trial. I'm really excited about this. Let's give it a go. Cool, so it looks like we got the actual unit here, the bar, all the accessories that comes with it. Nice pressure washer hose, the handle itself, the surface cleaner. Looks like we got a couple different attachments too, not too bad. And the wheels, which are beefier than I thought. So anyway, let's assemble this bad boy and see how it goes. All right, let's talk features. First and foremost, nice squishy grip on top. It took about 10 minutes to build. It's super simple. I mean, all of this was installed. We just had to do the handle, some of these extra pieces, install the wheels, but 10 minutes and it was done. The surface cleaner is pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like it. It is smaller than I anticipated, but it's pretty straightforward. I like how this is included with the box. It doesn't have a foam cannon to spray cars down, which is kind of a bummer. I picked one up myself from online, super cheap. I'll put a link in the description below. I'm not much of a pressure washing guy. I don't watch a lot of detailing videos. I'm pretty sure this is just an entry-level pressure washer, but for my needs, I think it's gonna do a great job. I hear these things are super quiet compared to a gas version pressure washer, which I'm really excited about. But yeah, it's a very simple, straightforward design. I do like how beefy the wheels are. That's kind of cool. But I'm excited to give it a go and let's wash some things. Alright, the water is on. It's still not plugged in, but from what I hear online, you gotta purge the system from air. So we'll just pull the trigger and let's purge the system. Alright, for the most part, it was spraying a lot earlier before I turned on the camera, but looks to be in the right condition. Now let's plug it in. Alright, let's give it a go. It's not spraying super aggressively, I think I'm gonna try a different nozzle. We're gonna try the 25-degree nozzle and see what happens. Okay, I can easily say this thing is awesome. I'm excited to try the surface cleaner and see how it's gonna do. Right here, a couple months back, I spilled some oil on my driveway, and as we can all see, it's really dirty. So I'm excited to give this a try and to see what it can do to the surface. So let's install it, let's give it a go. Okay, we got it all plugged in. It's just gonna keep going right away, but kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like. I'm so sorry, guys. I had a really nice demonstration of how this surface cleaner works, but I wasn't recording. So what I'm gonna do now is do a nice little time lapse. I wanna start from the front of my driveway where my fence is and go all the way down and just watch as the grime just gets picked up. I think it's gonna be really satisfying to watch. So far, I'm loving the surface cleaner. I've never had anything like this before. It's a 10-inch cleaner. The only annoying thing is there's no like handle, so you're always bent over. So I'm kind of like this the whole time. But you know, it's not the end of the world. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this cleaning. All right, next I want to check the sound of this electric pressure washer. Again, they always say it's way quieter than a gas-powered one. I've never used a gas-powered one, I'm not too sure. On my Apple Watch though, we have a decibel reader. So let's see what it says when we pull the trigger. Around 80 to 82 decibels. It's literally at that danger limit where maybe you might want to use some ear protection, but we're outside. There's a lot of white noise around us. It's really not that loud. Okay, the last test I want to do is I want to use a foam cannon. I have never used a foam cannon in my life before, and I really want to see what the pressure and the gallon per minute does with the foam cannon. Again, was not included with the package of the Greenworks. I picked it up on Amazon. I'll link it in the description below. But I've always wanted to use one, and let's see how good or bad it may work. We've got our foam cannon filled up, and now we're gonna attach it to the wand, and let's see how it goes. Does a pretty good job. So this guy adjusts the spray pattern at the front, and then this nozzle will basically give us full throttle of the soap or full throttle of the water. So really, really convenient. It's got a nice weight to it. It's got a nice brass clipping. But I think it does a good job. It's not great. There's better ones out there, but I've never had it before, so I love it. Well, there you guys have it. The Greenworks 2000 PSI 1.1 gallon per minute pressure washer. Super quiet, super efficient, and really compact. I love this thing. I really recommend it. I enjoyed it. I'm gonna finish washing my bends because it needs a very nice detail. It's been a long time since we've taken care of this bad boy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider smashing that subscribe button. We got so much more content coming at you. I love you guys. All I want to do is help you and teach you things and try new things, because that's what this channel is all about. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are looking for, and I will help and try to respond as much as I can. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.